In this video, we'll show you how to find the latitude and longitude in Google Maps. Note that this is applicable using your phone or your laptop. These coordinates are essential for pinpointing precise locations. So let's start. First, you have to open your Google Maps and make sure that the Google Maps is in the latest version. If not, go update it in your Play Store or App Store. On Google Maps, tap and hold your finger on a point you want to locate. A pin will drop, and you can scroll down to find the coordinates, including latitude and longitude. Whether on your computer or phone, like what I said a while ago, this method provides accurate location data. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.